You should clean the Sonnet 3 regularly by wiping it with a soft, damp cloth. Don't use cleaning solutions, and take extra care when cleaning small parts, such as the battery contacts and microphone covers. Inspect the battery contacts regularly. To clean them, use the provided brush and a small amount of rubbing alcohol, and then gently wipe them dry. Avoid touching the metal battery contacts. If the microphone cover gets wet, wipe it dry or replace it. Replace the microphone cover every 3 months or sooner if it appears dirty, or if the sound quality has worsened. Before placing the audio processor in the drying kit, you must remove the disposable or rechargeable batteries. Use the drying kit every night to allow Sonnet 3 to dry out completely.